Subject-verb agreement. A verb must agree with its subject in number and person. A singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. For example, the dog barks. The dogs bark. Verbs do not form their plural by adding an s as nouns do. To determine which verb is singular and which verb is plural, the trick is to think which verb you would use with he or she or it and which verb you would use with they. For example, he speaks, singular verb. They speak, plural verb. She is, she was, it has singular verbs. They are, they were, they have, plural verbs. The verb am is only used with the pronoun I. The verb and its subject in a sentence must agree in person. The three categories of person are first person, second person, and third person. Given below are the three categories of person. Observe the verb that agrees with each. I read. You read. He or she reads. We read. You all read. They read. You will notice that first person singular I and second person singular you are exceptions. Though singular, they agree with the plural verb read. The verb is plural if two or more singular subjects are joined by and. For example, Rahul and Sachin are playing cricket. However, the verb is singular if two singular subjects separated by and refer to the same person or thing. For example, my friend and guide happens to be my brother. Here, the two singular subjects, that is, friend and guide, are referring to the same person, that is, brother. The verb agrees with the first noun or pronoun when the subject consists of two nouns or pronouns joined by with or as well as. My father, with his brothers, has bought some land for farming. The verb is singular if two or more singular subjects are connected by or nor, and two singular subjects are connected by either or neither nor. For example, Samay, Vijay or Naveen organizes such events regularly. If two subjects connected by either or neither nor are of different persons, then we use the verb that agrees with the subject nearest to it. For example, either you or your brothers are lying. In sentences beginning with here and there, the subject is placed after the verb. For example, here are the notebooks and the pencils. The verb is singular if the sentence begins with each, everyone, everybody, anyone, anybody, someone, somebody, nobody, and no one. For example, each of the girls has long hair. The verb is singular if the sentence begins with much and a little. For example, much of this topic has already been discussed. The verb is plural if the sentence begins with many, a few, several, and both. For example, a few of my friends are joining me at the camp.